Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best underwater drone with camera 100 meters available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best underwater drone with camera 100 meters, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. Camolech Upgrade Underwater Drone 100M. The BW Space Pro is equipped with Sony 4K prime lens HD camera. Capture impressive 12MP photos with a 1.7 CMOS sensor that features a viewing angle of 130 degrees and an aperture of f1.4. Image stabilization and digital design technology can help capture clearer underwater images. 1380 x 2 lumens LED lights can intelligently fill light according to natural light strength underwater. The built-in 64G card can store about 4.6 hours of 4K video. The advanced Wi-Fi base station with MIMO system adopts multi-channel transmission technology that provides a strong and stable signal transmission rate, up to 433 Mbps, 5G, transmission distance, 100 meters underwater with low latency. Support both smartphone app control, iOS/Android, and remote control. The multi-person sharing mode allows the main controller to use the BW Space Pro while other people can access the drone's signal on their mobile phones and watch the underwater images simultaneously. 9600 mAh large capacity lithium battery, coupled with a highly efficient diversion design motor, allows the BW Space Pro to work continuously underwater for up to 5 hours with a signal charge. Provides a guarantee for long-term underwater exploration. The automatic depth detection function allows the drone to hover steadily at any depth underwater and rotate freely 360 degrees in the horizontal direction. Precise motion control algorithms and powerful motors allow it to tilt up to 45 degrees to shoot flexibly, enriching underwater shooting perspectives. Number 2. FIFISH V6E Multifunctional Underwater Drone. The FIFISH V6 Expert comes standard with the FIFISH V6 Expert ROF, tether reel, remote controller, VR goggles, and chargers. Essential differences between the EPP box packaging, with 330 feet tether reel, M200 industrial case packaging, robotic arm, with industrial case packaging, robotic arm, with 660 feet tether reel. FIFISH V6 Expert Underwater Drone equipped with 14400 mAh battery, working time up to 6 hours, and deliver quick charging capabilities to reach 90% of charging capacity in just 1 hour. Integrate with the onshore power supply system to achieve uninterrupted diving sessions. In addition to its patented omnidirectional movement and 360 degrees maneuverability, FIFISH V6 Expert Underwater Drone delivers an upgraded motor system, with full protection of its core components against corrosion, and enhanced stability for a seamless operating experience. FIFISH V6 Expert ROF's interface and accessory port allow for integration with a wide range of over 20 professional level and industry-specific tools for specific scenarios and tasks, from diving explorations to offshore work, and much more. With a built-in quick plug compartment, a micro SD card can be inserted and removed to easily transport data and images out of the V6 Expert. The ROF comes equipped with a 100 and Number 3. Youcan Robot 100M Underwater Drone ROF. Support multiple flexible posture. Through the motion algorithm, the machine can achieve ±45 degrees tilt shooting and 360 degrees free rotation. Automatically determine the depth at any depth in the water, hover precisely, and have greater flexibility to capture underwater wonders for you. 9000 mAh large capacity lithium battery, full electric drive, long battery life, can support 5 hours underwater work continuously, providing guarantee for long-term underwater exploration. Excellent image quality. Intelligent image anti-shake technology to eliminate shaking when shooting underwater, digital design technology to make the picture clearer, 1380 times 2 lumens LED light can be intelligently filled to emit light according to the intensity of underwater natural light. Built-in 64G card can store about 4.6 hours of 4K video. Equipped with Sony 4K fixed focus lens HD camera. Capture impressive 12MP photos with a 1/2.7 CMOS sensor with a 108 degrees viewing angle and f2.0 aperture. APP remote control. Number 4. Camoro 100M underwater drone. Professional deep sea star level 4K camera, 1/2.9-inch CMOS image sensor, easily capture high-resolution images and videos and record what you see. 32G large capacity body store, worry-free save and share, watertight technology of 100 meters in all waters, unique structure of anti-pressure and anti-corrosion materials demonstrate the depth of the dive. The depth of the dive can reach 150 meters, shooting unique in the deep sea species. LED fill light lights up the Number 5. BW Space Pro Max underwater drone. With a maximum mechanical arm load of 150 newtons, precisely lock on target objects and retrieve items underwater. It may also be outfitted with underwater cameras, fish finders, dive lights, and other accessories to allow for even more creativity and enjoyment. The newly added motor in the fuselage's vertical orientation can maximize the drone's balance, ensuring stable movement in any underwater environment to capture wonderful and clear photographs at any moment. Forward, backward, left, and right rotations. Vertical movements that climb and drop. Postures can be easily adjusted. An intelligent undersea technology.